When an associate starts here at Armacell, they'll start in the packing area, learning the basics of packaging our products, getting them ready for the customer, and then they'll expand their knowledge upstream, learning more about how the products are made from the very beginning of the process, from the mixing of the compounds through extrusion and through the expansion process, and all the nuances and details that it takes to produce our products.
Here at Armacell, when I started here, even in the interview, I could tell that the people that I was interviewing were very passionate about what they did, and that they were interested in developing people, and it just seems to be part of the culture here. They push you to try different things, and they give you the tools that you can be successful. It's preparing me to go further in my career.
What's kept me here for 24 years is the opportunity to advance. I feel like I'm very well respected, and they look at me as a leader, so that's kind of what's kept me here. And the team environment, everybody working together, whether you're in upper management or out on the floor, shipping, we all kind of work together. So I like the team environment.
Us getting through the process together as a team, it makes it easier. The experience that you have with other people here at Armacell, it makes the work staying here. So that's why I'm dedicated to my job. They teach me what they need me to know, because we are the future of Armacell.
We work in small teams here, and I enjoy that because it's just the closeness that everybody shares. You get to know everybody one-on-one.
The success of the Atlanta plant is driven by the teamwork that happens here every day. Our teams are cross-trained in the various production processes that we use to make the various products, the different products that we make here. And the magic that happens every day is the teamwork and the support that they do to deliver their products to our customers on time and full.
For me, it's important that I'm a part of an organization that really aligns with my values. And here at Armacell, we really have a commitment to the environment, and we really make products that make a difference around the world, and I'm proud to be a part of that.